White bread. This is one of the biggest shocks for me since white bread doesn't really taste sweet, but it spikes up blood sugar. Eating multiple slices of white bread each day can burn through our allotted sugar intake quickly. Whole wheat, sprouted grain, and even sourdough bread can be great alternatives for our beloved white bread. Peanut butter. Peanut butter itself can be a surprising friend when it comes to sugar content. Sweetened peanut butters add sugar for a more palatable taste. These can have several grams of sugar per serving, so check the label for added sugars. Many natural and even some creamy peanut butter varieties are available with no added sugar. They still deliver the protein and healthy fats peanut butter is known for. Fruit juices. Fruit juice might seem like a healthy source of vitamins, but it can be a sugar bomb in disguise. An average cup of fruit juice can contain 26 grams of sugar, which is equivalent to around 6 teaspoons. This rivals the sugar content of a soda. The juicing process removes fiber, a key nutrient that helps regulate blood sugar and keeps you feeling full. Without fiber, the sugar hits your bloodstream quickly. Eating whole fruit is a much healthier choice. It provides fiber, vitamins, minerals, and keeps you feeling satisfied for longer. Flavored yogurts. Although we treat yogurts as a healthy food, flavored yogurts pack a sugary punch because they have added sugars like cane sugar, high fructose corn syrup, or concentrated fruit juice. The amount of added sugar varies widely, but it can be significant. Some flavored yogurts can have double or even triple the sugar content of plain yogurt. However, if you enjoy flavored yogurt, there are options. Look for yogurts with lower sugar content or try plain yogurt sweetened with fruit or a drizzle of honey. Granola bars. Many granola bars are marketed as healthy snacks, but they can be loaded with added sugars. While granola bars can provide fiber and whole grains, the high sugar content can negate the benefits. To choose a healthy granola bar, focus on the ingredients list. Look for bars with whole grains listed first, limited added sugars, ideally less than 10 grams, and natural sweeteners like fruit. By being mindful of sugar content and choosing wisely, you can make granola bars a part of a balanced diet. Canned soup. You might not expect it, but many canned soups, especially those with tomato or creamy bases, contain surprising amounts of added sugar. Don't be fooled by seemingly healthy varieties. Even vegetable or chicken noodle soup can have added sugar. A single can of soup can easily contain 10 to 20 grams of sugar, which is equivalent to several teaspoons. This can significantly impact our daily sugar intake. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce can be a sugary secret weapon on your ribs. Barbecue sauce blends sweet, savory, and smoky flavors. Often, sugar plays a key role in achieving that sweetness. A typical serving of barbecue sauce, around 2 tablespoons, can pack a sugary punch, ranging from 10 to 17 grams. That's more than a few teaspoons. There are sugar-free or low-sugar barbecue sauce options available. You can also try making your own with minimal added sugar using natural sweeteners like dates or pureed fruit. Ketchup. Surprisingly, ketchup tends to have high sugar as well. Some brands even have higher sugar content than a soft drink. However, since it is a condiment, we don't consume it as much as the latter. There are reduced or low-sugar ketchup varieties available that offer a similar taste with less sugar impact. Even with regular ketchup, portion control is key. Sticking to a tablespoon or less keeps the sugar content in check. Canned fruits. Canned fruits are often preserved with lots of added sugars, which make them unhealthy. Fruits packed in juice still contain added sugar, although it comes from concentrated fruit juice rather than straight-up sugar. The healthiest option is canned fruit packed in water. This avoids added sugars while still preserving the fruit. Sports drinks. Sports drinks often pack a sugary punch despite their image as healthy hydrators. Sports drinks are designed to replenish fluids and electrolytes lost during exercise. However, they achieve their sweetness with large amounts of added sugar. A typical 20-ounce bottle of a sports drink can contain 30 to 35 grams of sugar, equivalent to 7 to 8 teaspoons. For everyday hydration or low-intensity workouts, water is the best choice. It replenishes fluids without the sugar load. By being aware of these hidden sugar sources, we can make healthier choices and limit our overall sugar intake. Let's always check food labels and be mindful of serving sizes to keep our blood sugar in check.